So children, with even such a small quantity of water available for the human beings, they use it for many purposes. They use it for many activities. The water is being used for various activities. So it is estimated that the consumption of water, or the average consumption of water by a human being, ranges from 20 liter to 30 liter per day, depending on their activity and the place where they live. So depending on what are the activities done by the human beings and the place where they live, depending on those factors, the average consumption of water used by human beings is 20 liter to 30 liter. So we use water for many purposes, like drinking. We use water for drinking purpose, agriculture purpose, washing clothes, washing utensils. We use water for again many aspects, like in industries. We use water for recreation, yes, heat exchange purpose, or fire extinguishers. So these are the uses of water done by the human beings for various purposes. But if you observe, then you will come to know that the most amount of water is used for the production and cultivation of crops, that is agriculture sector. 80% of water is used where? In the agricultural sector, that is in production of crops, cultivation of crops. The farmers use the more amount of water. So if you see, then the water is used in the form of what? In the form of, or due to the factor of, irrigation process. So this irrigation process is nothing but what? The availability of water present in that particular land or in that particular ground. So if there is proper distribution of water, or proper amount of water is present, then you get crops in a proper manner, isn't it? So 80% of water is used where? For the process of agriculture, or it is used in the agriculture sector, isn't it? So more than 80% of water is available for human use, and it is employed for what? Agricultural practices. Then in states like Haryana, Punjab, Gujarat, or Uttar Pradesh, around 85% of water, or 85% of irrigation is done through what? Groundwater. That is groundwater sources. So you have seen that the very less percentage of water is present in the earth's surface, and still we misuse this water. We are not aware that how water should be conserved. There should be practices done for the, or there should be, the people has to be educated for the purpose of how water should be conserved, with different practices to be done. So this water has to be conserved. This can be conserved in many ways. You have to find out that what are the ways to conserve the water. So children, this water is a resource which is very important for the human being. This water has to be generated time to time. It has to be recreated time to time. So only less amount of water is present on the earth for the human use, and this water has to be conserved. There should be watersheds made available for the conservation of water. You can conserve the rainwater, isn't it? You can store the rainwater. You can make use of the rainwater. So there are many various ways through which you can conserve the water. Yes, so children, this misuse of water has led to so many problems. That is scarcity, overusage, or unequal distribution of water. So these problems have to be suffered by we human beings. So our human activities should be tried to follow that how this water can be conserved. So the annual rainfall is about 400 million hectare in the country, and the other remaining 20 million hectare as what? Surface water. So this amount of water is more than sufficient for the usage of for many activities. But due to the overuse or due to the lack of planning, this water has resulted in the scarcity. It has led to so many problems. So children, the people has to be educated that how this water can be conserved, how the rainwater should be harvested. There should be watersheds which can help people to conserve the water. So it is necessary to increase the efforts related to what? The conservation of water, rather than misusing the water or rather than overusing the water. So there should be proper distribution of water, and this education has to be given to both urban people and rural people, because this scarcity of water is observed in both the types, that is urban people as well as rural people. So children, your work is, or your assignment is, that you have to write a short note on how you use the water, in what manner the family members, every member in your family uses the water. So children, how the water conservation is done. Try to list down various ways of how the water can be conserved. So you have to do the two things. One is you have to list down the ways that how the water can be conserved, and second one is you have to write a short note that how you use the water. You use it or you misuse it. How every member of your family uses the water, in what manner. Okay, so these two things has to be done. Okay children, thank you.